A first peek at the performance and hardware enhancements of the future Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced on Geekbench. Judging on the model number SMS938, this is most likely the variant that will be available for purchase in the United States. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra benchmark results demonstrate a significant increase over the Galaxy S24 Ultra in terms of single-core performance. The S25 Ultra earned 369 points, whereas the S24 Ultra got 2,143 points. The S25 Ultra achieves 9,080 points, which is much greater than the S24 Ultra's 6,696 points in multi-core performance. According to these findings, the Galaxy S25 Ultra should provide a significant increase in speed and processing capacity, positioning it as a serious competitor for applications requiring a lot of performance. The new Galaxy S25 Ultra benchmark and the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max testing, as reported by Tom's Guide, provide an additional intriguing contrast. The iPhone performs well in multi-core testing, scoring 8,300, and in single-core benchmarks at 3,400. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a considerable gain in power despite the phone becoming even smaller than the iPhone, which scores better than usual in single-core performance but lags behind its Android rivals in multi-core testing. The newest flagship from Samsung will be somewhat thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to leaked renderings. Interestingly, the S25 Ultra will also have rounded corners once again, departing from the acutely angular style that has characterized Samsung's Ultra models in recent years. A more powerful gadget is suggested by this design modification and performance increase. The Geekbench listing provides more specifications in addition to performance information. Similar to last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra, the tested model included 12GB of RAM. It's crucial to remember that this does not imply that all S25 Ultra models will only have 12GB of RAM. Other variations may offer other combinations. Since Android 15 was being used in the test, it is probable that Android 22 or above will be released for the phone. The model Galaxy S25 Ultra. Good news for sustained software support. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm processor based on the RMV8 architecture, with a maximum clock speed of 4.19 GHz, according to the Geekbench listing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.